Hello, welcome to Think Big Digital. Today I'm going to show you how to change your location in Twitter account by your phone. Go to your Twitter account, then go to your profile here. Then after scroll down a bit, you will find settings and support. Scroll down and find settings and privacy. In settings, you will find your account option. Go to your account, then tap on account information. Then you will find here your country that you're in right now. Tap on your country. Then select any country you want to give in from the list. Tap on the country and this will customize your X experience based on the country you live in. Tap on change. Then again just go to your account here. Now you can see my location has been changed and also my feed has been changed to the based on the location I'm in right now. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this till the end. Hope this helped you.